Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, we'll continue the session and this is our 8th video. Let's continue with the point number 94, currency recognition with AI chatbot, Android app. Let's click on it. After it, we'll give the complete description about project like scan currency and health monitoring Android application. First, you have to do the basic sign up page and then sign up to login page. Logging into the application after doing sign in, this will be the home page and home page all we have added all the option in home page only. Bottom 4 are related to yoga board and top 2 are related to currency and bottom 2 are related to chatbot. So for the currency, either you can directly click the photo or you can upload from the gallery. Just like this is the note. Suppose any note as of now, it can take 10, 20, 50, 100, 200 and 2000 notes. Whatever number of notes will be available, it will convert it into the audio as well if we want. So chatbot, I have given 3 different options. Chatbot, I have given normal conversation and we have implemented that ALA model into this application. And in this chatbot, basically we have used ChatGPT, OpenAI. So whatever message you will type here, it goes to ChatGPT and chat will respond and you can talk like here. So this will be the complete YouTube video where you can scan the currency or AI chatbot, AI voice and announcement. And the other is logout. And this will be the hardware and software requirement project list with different technologies. Let's scroll up. Let's go back. Point number 95, cyberbullying detection in English dataset. Let's click on it. So let's read out that particular text. Cyberbullying detection using deep learning. This project developed using Python programming language and Django framework is used for the web interface. This project is to detect the bullying or negative message by sender. This model is trained on the particular dataset that contains negative or positive text which indicates 1 or -1. If the text is 1, then it will be in a neutral text, or if the condition is -1, then text will be the cyberbullying content. In this project, it contains web-based chatbot where sender send message and model will filter that particular message sent by the sender. If sender send negative message, then model will detect and give cyberbullying text detected message or else it will be neutral message. This will be the YouTube video. If you just click on the play button, then it will play the video. Like you can see, we have sent the hi message, then it will classify as neutral text. And we have sent how are you, that will consider as a neutral text. And we have just typed the cyberbullying text, then it will detect the cyberbullying detected. Your record has been sent to admin. Now we have cyberbullying text, then it will also detect particular word. Now scroll down. Like you can also type the word or just click on the start listening button. Then you can record your voice. Okay. This will be the hardware and software requirement. Let's go back. Point number 96, cyberbullying detection in Punjabi dataset. Let's open it. Now hate speech detection using machine learning. In that particular project, it will detect and classify the cyberbullying text in the Punjabi language. So let's read it out. Like cyberbullying is a type of harassment that take place in online mode, that is bullying and unsettling. In social media, cyberbullying is a common and people end up with the mental broken state. Automated detection of the cyberbullying message on majority of social media platform is necessary with the use of intelligent system. We propose a project based on the cyberbullying detection system to address this bullying message and address this issue. In this system, a deep learning framework that will detect message and send by the sender, as well as correctly identify any cyberbullying content in them. From recent researchers that show neural network based approaches are more effective than conventional method to detecting cyberbullying text. So we have developed that particular project using Django framework where web interface is used. Like it will identify like hello, how are you? It will saying that neutral text, enter the cyberbullying text, then it will identify like severe hate speech detections sentence. Okay, these are the software and hardware requirement, and this will be the project list in different domains. Now just go back. Point number 97, cyber defense, phishing detection in app and website. Just click on it. Now the phishing attack detection enhances the cybersecurity by employing neural networks to identify and mitigate phishing threats. This application analyzes email content, URL, and user behavior to recognize the pattern indicative of phishing attempts. The neural network ability to adapt to evolving phishing technique ensure proactive detection and protection against the fraudulent activities. This innovative approach contributes to safeguarding sensitive information and maintaining a secure online environment. So that particular software, it will detect the malware in Android apps or identify in the website also. Like if you enter the URL, it will identify that particular URL is a malware based URL, or if you enter any APK, then it will identify that that particular APK is safe or not safe. And the other will be the about phishing. It will give the complete description about project, and you can talk with the chatbot also. Let's scroll down. This will be the software and hardware requirement. Like coding language Python, implementation software framework, operating system Windows 10 11, graphical user interface, tick enter. And these are the hardware requirement. You can also visit our website or Instagram account or WhatsApp if you have any query. Let's scroll up and go back. Now the point number 98, dance mudra identification. Just click on it. Now that particular project will identify the mudras, like user have to enter any image of mudra, and the model will identify that particular from which class is belonging to, and it will classify it. Like hand mudra recognition project developed using Python programming language, and Django framework is used to build graphical user interface. When user run that particular Python script, it will generate one URL. User have to copy and paste that URL and in any browser. Then homepage will open and it shows multiple menu bars like project functionality, homepage, Mudra classification. In the Mudra classification page, this page is for classification Mudra images. User have to upload image from uploading section and select any image for classification. Model will classify that particular image and output shown that predicted Mudra and predicted time. In the gallery page, developer can add picture of dance Mudra for informational purpose. About us, in this section, user can add their own details with their team members. Contact us. In this page, if visitor wants to contact to admin, that user have to enter their own details like name, email, phone number, message and send it to the website admin. Courses. User can add their courses YouTube link and visitor can see those videos for more information. And the other one is logout. This will be the YouTube video. If they click on that particular button, then it will play the video. And this will be the software and hardware requirement. Let's go back. Now the point number 99. Sign language to audio and audio to text conversion. So the conversion of sign language to text and speech using machine learning techniques. So what it will do, like it will open the laptop front camera and identify that particular sign and convert it to speech. Like diff sign language to text converter project using machine learning. In this project, there is a two module. First module work for the sign language to audio converter, and second is option for the audio to text converter. Like let's explore first module. When user click on first button, it will open the laptop front camera and user can show the gesture using hand sign and it will convert into text. Model will predict text according to the person hand gesture. User have to place hand in particular boundary box with the black or plain background. So model can predict the better accuracy. Now the second point is second model is to convert audio to text converter. User have to provide input of audio and once user click on start speech button, then system will take input of voice through mic and if user click on convert button, then machine learning model will convert voice into text, will give the output into languages like English and Kannada. So these are the hardware and software requirement. The coding language is Python and we have done the graphical user interface using Techie library. Okay, let's go back. Now the point number 100, deepfake detection, image and video based. Just click on it. So it will classify the fake image like whatever the user gave the input. So making a deepfake image shorter with Python is like creating a pretend brain of for pictures. We use Python tool like TensorFlow or PyTorch to make a simple thinking pattern. First we make up a bunch of fake pictures showing different things. Then we teach our pretend brain by showing these pictures and telling it's what's in each one. The brain learns by practicing and better. We test it to see how well it can guess. Even though it is just a pretend game, it helps us understand how real picture sorting system works. Like in the web page, user can upload any image or video. Then it will predict like that particular picture is fake or real, and it will also give the confidence like how much percentage of real and how much percentage of fake. Okay, these are the software and hardware comments. Now let's go back. Point number 101, depression detection from facial recognition. So what it will do, Like user have to upload any input video to that particular model, and it will detect the person's face and identify that particular person is a depressed or not. Let's scroll down. Like depression detection using machine learning. This project developed using mathematical language and TK used for developing graphical user interface. In this system, user have to upload input video and model first. It will detect and classify it as a depressed or non-depressed person from facial emotion recognition. So the software, these are the software and hardware requirements. Let's go back. Now the point number 102, desmoking detection, smoke removal from image. Let's click on it. Smoke detection using machine learning. So in that project, it works on the image and video and the live real time from laptop front camera. If the user upload any input image to that model, then it will remove the smoke. That is the desmoking, and it will detect the person. Let's click on that particular play button. Okay, you can see that particular picture. Like we have given that particular smoky image, and it will detect the person and remove that smoke from that particular image. Project developed using mathematical language and indicator used to develop the graphical user interface. And this will be the software and hardware requirement. And these are the related projects in different domains. Now let's go back. The point number 103, DDoS attack detection system. Let's click on it. So the network intrusion detection is a critical for protecting the system against cyber threats. This report presents a machine learning approach for classifying network traffic as normal or attack types using NSL KDD dataset. The data contains record of simulated network connection with 43 features and labels for normal or 24 attack categories into 4 classes: denial of service, probe, user to root, and remote to local. So this will be the complete web-based project where user have to enter first login with the sign up details. They can log in into that particular system and user have to enter those values. Let's click on the play button first. So user have to enter all those values like duration, select protocol type, select service type, select packet flag, source byte, destination byte, packet length, packet wrong fragment, packet urgent, packet hot, number of failed login in, packet number compromised, root shell. So all those input user have to enter, and then it will predict the DDoS detection or intrusion detection system. Okay, these are the software and hardware requirement. Let's go back. Now the point number 104, diabetic retinopathy detection. So welcome to Diabetic Retinopathy Detector, a cutting-edge solution designed to empower individuals in the early detection of diabetic retinopathy. Simply upload your retinal image and our advanced system powered by Retina technology swiftly analyze it, and it providing you with a percentage-based assessment of the likelihood of diabetic retinopathy. At the forefront of innovation, we strive to make healthcare accessible and proactive, ensuring early intervention for better outcomes. Your vision matter, and so does your well-being. Trust in our technology to safeguard your ocular health and precision care. Just click on the play button. Now user have to select any image. First upload any image and select that particular image. Then click on process button. Then it will show diabetic retinopathy is detected with 99.35% accuracy. Okay, these are the software and hardware requirements. Let's go back. The point number 105, diet recommendation system with chatbot. Just click on it. Now the personalized diet recommendation system using machine learning. Diet recommendation chatbot. This project will take user input, and based on user information, it create a diet and tell us how much calorie user have to consume and what are the calorie consumed from the specific diet. So this is the main objective. In this project, we use AI and machine learning and basic validation to work. BMI calculator also integrated with that particular chatbot so that user can check BMI score. This will be the YouTube video, and these are the software and hardware requirements. Let's go back. Now the point number 106, diet recommendation system and suggest the food. Let's open it. Now user have to enter the details like age, gender, height in centimeter, weight, and all those details. Then it will automatically recommend the diet like little or no exercise. Choose your weight loss meals per day, and then it will generate a BMI calculator with 21.6 kilogram per meter square and calorie calculator 2643 calories, and it will recommend the diet in the breakfast, morning snack, lunch, and the dinner. And this will be the software and hardware requirements. Let's go back. Now, point number 107, diet recommend system based on the human. Let's click on it. Now, user have to enter the details like density, age, weight, height, neck, chest, abdomen, hip, thigh, knee, ankle, biceps, forearm, and wrist. User have to enter all those details and it will recommend the diet. Just enter the details and just click on the get prediction. It will predict the body fat, breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, and dinner. Okay, let's scroll down. This will be the software and hardware requirement, and you can check out the related projects in different technologies. Let's go back. Now, diet recommendation system and BMI calculation. Just click on the 108 button. The food recommendation system using machine learning. So this is the diet recommender chatbot. It will take user parameters and based on the user input, it will create diet and tell how much calorie you should consume and what are the calories you will consume from diet. The body mass index calculator in which you have to give input of weight and height and it gave BMI result. This is automatic diet recommendation system which is recommending through machine learning algorithm. So you have to provide basic information like age, weight, gender and meals per day. Then model will predict and give basic information that how many calories to consume each day to maintain loss or weight, gain weight, chosen rate. That will predict recipe of breakfast, morning, snack, lunch, dinner, etc. Okay, this will be the software interface that interface developed using Techie library. And this will be the software and hardware requirements. Check out related projects. Let's go back. Now the point number 109, digit prediction based on drawing. Let's click on it. Now in that project, user have to draw that particular and it will guess the results. We have to draw the 6, then it will predict the 6 number. And let's read it. Handwritten digit recognition system developed using Python programming language and user interface design using Django. When user run the Python script, the program will generate one URL. User have to copy and paste that URL in any browser and homepage will open. And in that particular space, user have to draw any number from mouse cursor and click on guess button to predict that particular number. Now the project flow of handwritten digit recognition like pre-processing, CNN architecture, training, optimization, feature extraction, classification and applications. And this will be the software and hardware requirements and you can check out the related projects. Let's go back. Now the point number 110. This is prediction based on symptoms. Just click on it. The disease diagnosis system operates by first collecting the comprehensive dataset with symptoms and corresponding diseases. Subsequent data preprocessing addresses anomalies like missing values. Relevant features are then selected or extracted, aiding accurate diagnosis. The chosen machine learning algorithm, such as decision tree, undergoes training with the pre-processed data. The model learns to correlate symptom with disease. Evolution metrics assess its accuracy before deployment into a user-friendly interface. User input symptoms and the system predict the potential diseases, facilitating efficient and accessible medical diagnosis through symptom analysis. So user have to enter the name of patient, symptom 1, symptom 2, symptom 3. Then it will predict with the defined algorithm like decision tree, random forest, and neighbors. This will be the YouTube video where if you click on the play button, then it will play the video. And this will be the software and hardware requirements. We have developed using Python programming language and TK used for the graphical user interface. And you can check out the related projects. Let's go back. Now 111 doctor appointment and tracking Android app. So healthcare machine learning project. Now hospital management system project in Android Studio. This project will be the work of hospital receptions. They don't have to maintain hard copies of paper. The software can easily manage all database and it is reliable and faster than paperwork. User can easily fetch patient detail by ID or name. It reduces the burden for managing book and hard copies. This will be the YouTube video. Like if you click on the play button, then it will play the video. There is hardware and software requirement. Let's go back. Now the point number 112, disease prediction from symptoms. Let's open it. Now user have to enter the symptoms 1 disease, symptom 2 and symptom 3. Then according to the algorithm, it will predict the disease. Like these are the symptoms user have to enter. Now this will be the YouTube video where if we click on the play button, then it will play the video. And this will be the hardware and software requirements. Let's complete this video here and we'll connect again with the next session. If you're in doubt, then you can comment the comment section. We'll try to reply soon. Or if you want to download that particular list, then you can download it. I have given that particular link in the description. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.